The JAVAN myna, also known as the white-vented myna, is a fascinating bird with some interesting characteristics. Here are some fun facts about the JAVAN myna. Distinctive appearance: the JAVAN myna has sleek black plumage with striking yellow eye patches. Its beak, legs, and feet are yellow, making it easily recognizable. JAVAN myna in flight, showing the distinctive white wing and tail bars. The JAVAN myna is mainly black. The wings are brownish-black, and the primaries have white bases, displayed in flight as a striking white wing bar, along with a white tail bar. The undertail coverts are white. There is a short crest on the forehead. Its beak, legs, and feet are yellow. The eyes are lemon yellow. The immature is browner. Its length is 21 to 23 centimeters, 8.3 to 9.1 in. Its weight is about 100 g, 3.5 ounces. Urban adaptability: JAVAN mynas are highly adaptable birds that thrive in both urban and rural environments. They are often seen perching on city buildings and foraging in urban parks. The JAVAN myna is native to Bali and Java, and has been introduced to southeastern Thailand, southern Malaysia, Singapore, Sumatra, the Lesser Sundas, Taiwan, Puerto Rico, Japan, and Nepal. It is found in cities and cultivated areas. JAVAN mynas are bold and not very afraid of humans. They are omnivorous and eat seeds, fruit, nectar, insects, and human waste. Vocal mimicry: these birds are known for their vocal mimicry. They can imitate a variety of sounds, including other bird calls and even human-made noises. Social behavior: JAVAN mynas are social birds that are often found in pairs or small groups. They communicate with each other using a range of whistles, chirps, and squawks. JAVAN mynas are found in pairs and associate in larger groups. Its voice is similar to that of the common myna. It builds its nest in holes. The eggs are bluish glaucous. The birds scavenge in groups, minimum 2 but usually 3 or more, with all except one feeding and one usually at a vantage point keeping a lookout. If the bird that is keeping watch sees anything that might pose a threat, it alarms the group members with a high-pitched tweet and they all flee the area swiftly. If one of them is separated, they would tend to tweet to attract other mynas of their kind to come over. Foraging strategies. Javan mynas are omnivorous and have a diverse diet that includes seeds, fruit, nectar, insects, and even human waste. They are often seen scavenging in groups, with one bird keeping watch while the others feed. Nesting habits. These birds build their nests in holes, such as tree cavities or man-made structures. The eggs are bluish glaucous in color. Breeding season. The breeding season for Javan mynas varies depending on their location. During this time, they become more vocal and display courtship behaviors. Parental care. Both male and female Javan mynas take part in caring for their young. They feed the chicks and protect them from potential threats. Introduced species. Originally native to Bali and Java, the Javan myna has been introduced to other parts of Southeast Asia, including Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand. It has also been introduced as far away as Puerto Rico. Conservation status. Despite their adaptability, Javan mynas face threats such as habitat loss, pollution, and illegal trapping for the pet trade. Understanding their behavior and ecology is essential for their conservation. Originally restricted to the Indonesian islands of Java and Bali, this crested myna has since been introduced to Singapore, Taiwan, and various parts of Malaysia and Indonesia. Dark gray overall, with a spiffy erect crest and a bright yellowish-orange bill. Darker than jungle myna, with which it overlaps in both its native and introduced ranges. Also compare with crested myna, note Javan's brighter bill and white vent. Bold and social, foraging in farms, parks, and gardens. Roosts in large noisy flocks, often close to human habitation.